Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. This is Car Connections. Make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, share the vlog. What we have today is, we're gonna do this Luxe. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this Luxe tint. I'm gonna do the rear tint on the ride. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know if I'm gonna like, I do like the stripes in the rear, but I don't like some of the white tail light where it kind of keeps through. So we'll see, I'm gonna try it on. The good thing is that it's about 15-20 bucks. Got it on Amazon. Takes about maybe 30 minutes to install. Go ahead and turn the rig around real quick though, so we can start the install process. First thing we're going to do is clean this out. Typically, when you buy these products, they give you the cleaning solutions, which is awesome, right? And again, all this is like, 15-20 bucks. It's cool. It's literally a tint. They give you some extras in case you F up. Pretty much the instructions. I mean, there's a bunch of YouTube videos on this. First Durango Hellcat to get tint in the back. That's right. Let me start cleaning this up and then we'll jump right back to it in a bit. Over today, she's a little dirty. You guys can see all that dirt there. Clean that up with the solution. Make it real nice and clean. I wanted to show you guys this real quick before I install it. They give you 5 pieces, you only need 4, but they give you a practice run, or if you want to call it a dry run, to test it out, see how it works out. We'll test it out. And if it's turning out good, I'll start the rest. So we got one side on. The key to this stuff, as I'm noticing, is don't rush. I'm glad they give you a spare one because I messed up the first time. It's not 100% perfect. A lot of the imperfections are really not that noticeable. I'm digging the full blackout with the green. She's dirty. Putting it on, you want to use a squeegee and it kind of, little by little going this way. Same on that side. With the corner coming this way. You want to take time, guys. Don't rush. What you rushing for? A quick little trick I'm doing. I'm not even reading the instructions, guys, but notice how I don't pull the whole thing off. I use half of the paper on. Don't pull it all the way off. And so as you're putting it on one corner and you're measuring it, you're kind of pulling back the paper as you're using the squeegee to line it up. Keep some of the paper and it gives you some stability there as you're kind of lining it up. Makes things a lot easier. All right, guys, she's done. And this is the before and after shot. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Pretty straightforward. There's a lot of blogs online on how to do that, but I think I might be the first Durango Hellcat with tinted rear taillight. I'm not sure. Or maybe the first YouTuber to post one online with the first Hellcat Durango. If you're enjoying this content, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share the vlog.